see, what I want to find out the value of these x, y, and z, right? So for that, it's written red color. For that, there is a small formula. How to find out? Very simple. First of all, whatever the thing you have inside, you write it here. Okay, 5z. Whatever you have inside, if it is 6z, write 6z, whatever. 5z equal to, formula will be g into C out by F. What is G? G is the specific logical effort of that gate only. Here, what you will have? It is G. In this case, it will be what? In this case, it will be what? G4. Understood? In this case, it will be G4. This one. Okay? It will be G4. But this is the formula, generalized formula. Now, I'm going to put the values in the formula. What is the value of G for this gate? Anyone?
5 by 3.
5 by 3. So this is 3. So I'm writing 5 by 3. What is the C out? C out means what is connected with this one. What is connected? What thing is connected this gate? 125, right?
Yes, sir.
Divided by F. What is the value of F? Anyone? Found out, right? Somewhere. Where?
So 4.772,
right? 4.772. Now, if you put this in your calculator, your value will be something like this. Upper one, it will be into 125 divided by 4.772. Your value is 43.66. 43.66. So let's write. No.
So 8.732 Ashagar.
No, this is the 5G totally. Okay. This is as a whole, it is 5G. 5G is equal to 43.66. Now, what is the value of G or Z? Whatever you say. 43.66 divided by 5. If you divide it with 5, your value will be divided by 5. Your value will be 8.73, right? 8.
Yes, sir.
73. But the problem is this is sizing. Remember, this is sizing, right? I told you before the Z value is sizing. Since it is sizing, you have to make this approximately the next number or the whole number. If it is less than 8.5, it will be 8. If it is more than 8.5, it will be what? 9. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
You have to make it whole. If it is more than 8.5, it will be 9. If it is less than 8.5, it will be 8. So what we got? We got the value of 5G, right? Let's write the value of 5G here. Let's write the value of 5G here. You have got 5 into Z. 5 into Z means what? 5 into 9, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the value? 45. 3 into Z. How much the value? 27, right?
27.
Only Z. What is the value? 9, right? Now come to the value for what? 9y. Again, 9y will be the same formula into C out divided by F. What is the value of G for this one?
7 by
7
3.
divided by 3.
7 divided by 3 into C out. What is the C out for this one? Remember, I told you before, C out is the connected things. What are the things connected with this one?
45, 27, and 9.
Exactly 5, 27, and 9. So they will be added. Do you know why they are added? Because they are parallelly connected, and capacitor parallelly connected should be added, right?
Yes, sir.
So 27, 45, and 9. If you add them together, what is the value? Okay, you can write it here, no problem. Like this: 27, 45, and 9. And lower you will have 4.772. Your value is okay, 7 divided by 3 into bracket 27 plus 45 plus 9 close divided by 4.772. Your value is 39.61. So your Y will be how much? Divided by 9. Your Y will be equal to 4.4. So call it 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
we are going to put 4 here. So I'm going to put 4. So 9 into 4 is how much? 36. Right? And 6 into Y, how much? 24. Now find the value of X. Everyone find the value of X. Definition is taken from Wikipedia, but the definition is quite same that what I was going to tell you. The critical path is defined as the path between input and output with the maximum delay. That means you might have different multiple paths. You can have multiple paths. Remember, more than one path. More than what? One path. Understood? You can have more than one path from input side to the output side. You can have multiple paths. But the path that has the maximum delay is what? It's called critical path. Understood?
Yes, sir.
I have to repeat.
Wait a second. ইনপুট সাইড থেকে আউটপুট সাইডে যাওয়ার জন্য অনেকগুলো মাল্টিপল পাথ থাকতে পারে, মানে একটা বেশি পাথ থাকতে পারে। বুঝতে পারছি? তোমার একটা লোকেশন থেকে একটা লোকেশন একটার বেশি পাথ থাকতে পারে, কিন্তু যেই পাথ দিয়ে গেলে তোমার ডিলে সবচেয়ে ম্যাক্সিমাম হবে, ডিলে, ওইটাকে বলে কি? ক্রিটিক্যাল পাথ। বুঝতে পারছি সাইদুল? আচ্ছা, তোমাদেরকে এখন দেখাচ্ছি জিনিসটা আসলে কি। Here, look at this one, everyone. So in this side, you can have this path. One is through a NOT gate, NAND gate, NOT gate, OR gate, right? This is path number 1. Second, you have no, not this one. You can have something like this from B, NAND gate, NOT gate, AND gate, XOR gate, NOR gate, now OR gate, right? Then you can have path like this: C, NAND gate, NOT gate, AND gate. What is that? XOR gate, OR gate done. These two are similar. B and C, they are similar. Okay. But look at this one again. You can have a path like this one as well. B through these AND gate, XOR gate, then OR gate, then output. Then you can have a path like this as well. These NOT gate, XOR gate, OR gate, then Y, right? Right, everyone? Finally, you can have a path like this. Which one? This one. B or C, whatever. C, let's consider the C. NAND gate, not gate, then come here. Then NAND gate, not gate, OR gate, then Y. So you can have multiple path from input side to the output side. Okay, everyone? At first defined which one is your what? Which one are the paths available to you? Okay, at first define those first. So let's define those at first. What? Make a table. Let's make a table first. Okay. At first, what you have? From A to what? Not, then NAND, then not. That means the first part. I am talking about the first part. A, not, NAND, not, then what? OR, right? Then what? Then comes your Y. Understood? This is your path number 1. Okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is your path number 1. Now come to the path number 2. What is your path number 2? Can anyone tell me? B.
B,
B.
and
Who is talking? B, NAND, then not, then AND, then XOR, then OR, then Y, right? This is your path number 2. Now come to the path number 3. C, NAND, not, AND, XOR, then OR, right? Then come to the path number 4. What is the path number? B, B, then directly go to the AND, right? Not AND, it is B, then directly AND, then what? XOR, then OR, then Y, right? That is your path number 4. Now come to the path number 5. What is the path number 5?
C.
B, not, XOR, OR, right? B, not AND, it is not. Then XOR, then OR, then Y. Then come to the path number 6. What is the path number 6? C or B, whatever, C or B, whatever. C, NAND, not, OR, right? C, NAND, not, come here, NAND, not, or Y. So is there any more paths? Don't see any more paths, right?
sir, C, not, XOR.
No. This one is not a connection. This one is not a connection. Okay? Understood? This is not a connection. This one, this is a mistake. This is not a connection. Not a connection. So the connection, let me draw the connections first, okay? Let me draw the connections. Here you have one connection. Here you have one connection. Here you have connections, and no other. This is not a connection, okay? This is not a. Now, if you have more gates, you can write here, okay? No problem. Now I want you to, okay, wait a second. Now I want you to calculate the, what is that? Calculate the critical path delay, right? So what is the calculation for this one? A, not, nan, not, or y. Not, what is the value of not? Not gate is 10 nanosecond delay. Nan is 30 nanosecond delay. Not again 10 nanosecond or 12 nanosecond. What is the delay for this one? So 10 plus 13 plus 10 plus, okay? Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So let's find out. 10 plus 13 plus 10 plus 12 is 45. Understood, everyone? Abdullah Butcha?
Yes, sir.
Let's find out. This is 45 nanosecond. Next one will be what? Next one, NAND, not. What is the value of NAND? NAND is 13, not is 10, and is 17. Then XOR is 26. Then OR is 12. Then what? Then Y. So you got 78 nanosecond. Next one, NAND, NOT, and XOR Y. Again, it is 78 nanosecond. B, next one is AND, XOR, OR, right? AND is how much? AND is 17, XOR is 26, OR is 12, so you got 55. Next one is NOT, XOR, OR. NOT is 10, XOR is 26, OR is 12, so you got 48. Next one is NAND, NOT, OR. NAND is 13, NOT is 10, 13, 10 again. Then you got OR. OR is 12, so 58 nanosecond. So have you got your all the delays? Now, can anyone explain which one will be our critical path?
78.
78 of them, right?
Yes,
So path number 2 and path number 3, these two are your critical path. But since you have two paths, so I would say, why I would say, I will explain. I would say this will be my, if I have to choose one, if I have to choose one, then I will choose this one, C. Why? Because look at this, B is here, B is also here, right? Right?
yes, sir.
An input starting with B can have a smaller delay as well, right? So that's why I will choose C. C is the, because B যদি তোমার এখানে হয়, B কেন হইতে পারবে, তখন তুমি বলতে পারো যে আমি তো B এখান থেকে যেতে পারি। Understood? So what I'm going to do is this one. Okay, you can choose both. You can choose both if nobody stop you. আমি যদি তোমাকে না থামাই, if nobody stop you, you can choose both. Okay, these two paths. So from starting from B, NAND, NOT, AND, XOR, OR. This is your critical path. So B, this is your critical path. Or if you think this will be your critical path as well. Okay, got my point? But if I have to choose one, I will choose the C one. Why? Because there is no short from the C. There is no jump. There is no jump from C to the previous path. Okay? এখানে খেয়াল করে দেখো, what is happening? B is jumping 2 gates, right? B can jump 2 gates. Can you see that? So that's why if I have to choose one, I will choose the C one. See, if I have to choose, if I can choose both, I will choose both. So these two is your critical path. Understood, everyone? Did it?
হ্যালো স্যার।
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ বলো।
স্যার এই মানগুলা বের করে কি স্যার আমরা স্যার যেটা স্যার ক্রিটিক্যাল স্যার ওইটা ওই ইকুয়েশন দ্বারা স্যার কাজ করতে হবে নাকি স্যার এরকম?
হ্যাঁ, ওই ইকুয়েশন থেকে তুমি যোগ ডিলেটা বের করবা। তুমি আমাকে বলবা যে আমি যদি কোন রাস্তায় গেলে আমার কি হবে, আমার ডিলেটা বেশি হবে। তোমাকে জাস্ট এটা বলতে হবে, এই যা।
ইয়েস স্যার।
Okay, so this is your math, and I believe it is done already. So today's class is up to this was today's class. Okay,
Yes, sir.
don't record, stop the record.